Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm just eating my feelings. I just found out that Dolly Parton passed away. My mom loved her, and she was just an icon. Very talented individual, and she was so beautiful. So I'm really sad to hear. I cannot believe that. I know everyone must go, but death is really hard. Even though I've never met the lady, just sad. Sad. So I'm just eating my feelings right now, and I got these Nature Valley crispy wafers. This one is strawberry, and this one is peanut butter and chocolate. So I've never had them before. I figured, why not? I'm really sad. I love that movie. I remember a little being younger and watching that movie 9 to 5 with the corrupt boss. She was just so talented. All right, so here goes. Has anybody tried these? I don't think they're new, but I've never tried them. Let me know in the comments below. All right, I'm going to try, of course, the strawberry first. Just a wafer. Look. Oh, that looks good. It's okay. I'm not like big on the wafers. You know, like the wafer cookies. That's all right. It's not horrible. I'd probably give it like a 6 out of 10, just because I'm not huge on the wafer. All right, here's this one. This is the chocolate peanut butter. You can smell the peanut butter. I'd probably give this one a 6 out of 10 too. I wish they made just like a peanut butter one. All peanut butter. They probably do. All right, guys. I'm going to go eat something else. Later, everyone. Bye.